So today we're visiting Oakbrook Center. Now I grew up with this place being called Oakbrook Mall. Or at least I think that's what it was called. A very massive, fully outdoor mall. That honestly didn't interest me too much when I did live down here. I much preferred the more traditional indoor malls in my area. This is actually more of a place that I went to because my dates, my girlfriends at the time, wanted to go here and shop. Outside of that, I rarely went here solo. It is really warm out today. Not planning on spending a ton of time here. Not really even planning on going inside any stores. Just gonna take a walk through the outdoor areas today. We do have a nice little green area over here. And I was in the area for the Elmhurst umbrella sky project, the previous video, so I figured this was as good a time as any to revisit Oakbrook Center, as I guess it's apparently called. What a nice little seating area over here. A Google store is coming soon in fall 2024. That's interesting. I'm used to the Apple store. I mean, it's definitely a nice outdoor area, but you know, on a warm day like this, what would be much better? An indoor mall with air conditioning. Now, let me clarify something too. This outdoor mall has been here for a long time, ever since I was a kid. Probably much before then. So this is not the mixed use type developments that all the indoor malls are becoming. This is just a plain outdoor mall. Now, aspects of this place will be very similar to what Spring Hill, Stratford, and others are becoming. Thankfully, we get a little bit of shade in this area. This actually has more of a traditional mall feel here. 2 levels. I couldn't even tell you the last time that I had been here. Ooh, they have a Potbelly upstairs. That could be a good food option. I just don't want to get you confused about, you know, the typical outdoor mall and then also what this whole mixed use thing is becoming. It's obviously a little different flavor. There are no apartments over here at Oakbrook Center. Oakbrook Center, the outdoor mall, was here and thriving when the indoor malls were thriving as well. And it sure was nice back in the day when both could live in harmony together. I have Potbelly's crowd. I'm gonna probably just move on, but worth a look. This is not my last vlog for... Whoa, hello. Do we have a food court? What the heck? District Eatery. Okay. Air conditioning feels good. Oh, this is cool. I don't know if there's anything I want to eat here, but we got a Chinese place, pizza, tacos, southern chicken. Okay, I did not remember Oakbrook having a food court. Okay, there's the AMC IMAX Theater. Got the $7.99 meal deal. No, I'm always looking for a good deal. Mostly I really wanted a drink. We have a skinny turkey. That was part of the meal deal. Then salt and vinegar chips. Just something a little get you by. It's a little too warm to eat super heavy anyway. That's good. You like Potbellies? I usually get the Italian, but it wasn't included in the $7.99 meal deal, unfortunately. They always have really good chips here too. The Zappos brand. I like these kettle-based chips. Every sandwich that I get, whether it's Italian or otherwise, I get everything except for the peppers. Usually on wheat bread. Even though we didn't get to eat lunch yet again at Elmhurst University, sure right there, still got a pretty good lunch, so today worked out pretty well. It's not my last video today. I have one more to do. I decided on just one more. Another one of those. I'm in the area, so I just gotta do it. It's been on my list. I was definitely hungry though. Good amount of walking in Elmhurst and also here today. Alright, let's finish this visit at Oakbrook Center. A little food, a little time in the AC. Definitely needed that. Definitely feel refreshed. We can hit the rest of this mall, which I think we have to just go downstairs at this point. At least we get an escalator this time. Yeah, I guess, and this is just going to be a Apple store for us Google folk. But I don't have much need for an Apple store, so hey, maybe that's a plus. Bummer though that this fountain isn't working. Oh, that's one of my daughter's favorite store. This is where we came in, but I think there's more shops over here. Concourse shops. What the heck? Oh, I remember what this is. There's like a sort of a hidden indoor mall here as well. Someone covered this with sort of like the Dead Mall vibes. Oh yeah, I totally forgot about that video. Oh, I can't remember what channel covered this now. Totally forgot about that. I was thinking about that too, like whenever I come back here, I wanted to check this out. Okay, and it just goes outside, probably to parking. Oh, this is cool though. Such an odd thing to have right in the middle of Oakbrook, you know? Sort of liminal space vibes. Doesn't really go much farther past here. The management and security offices have moved. Okay. Man, that is absolutely crazy. I think there's like a professional office building that's above there. Concourse shops. Hey, if you ever are here, definitely check that out if you're into the whole Dead Mall liminal space vibe thing. It puts you right back here into the hustle and bustle. So odd. That is cool. Alright, let's finish up this little wing over here, and I think this is going to be about it. Yeah, there's the professional building. Molly's Cupcakes. Oh wow, it goes back here too. Okay. Not really sure if mall filming policies apply to like outdoor spaces like this or not. I mean, I've seen some security guards here and there, but nothing too crazy. Is this a fountain? Sort of. Yeah, I don't think we can go too much further here. Head back this way. There's just some security over there, so let's put our phone away real quick. And that's Oakbrook Center, Oakbrook, Illinois. Once upon a time, Oakbrook Mall. Unless that's some Mandela effect thing, I don't know. You requested it, so I did it. Hey, unlike many big YouTubers, I listen to my subscribers. And we didn't lose the car. Should be just right over there. And yes, there is a Toys R Us and Macy's, but I'm not going to do that today. Save that for another time. There is one more video I have to do as we head back north to our homeland. And we may run into a little traffic and construction, so before we get too heavy into rush hour, we need to head up there. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.